In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Firstly, just open one of your apps to use in this view and access it in the background. To do that, using tricky navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now click on the icon of your app at the top and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. If you wish to resize it, hold one of its bottom corners. Pick a perfect size and let go. To turn your app into a bubble, click on Home button. Then access it by clicking on the bubble. If you want to, you can click on this line at the top and check out all of those options. For example, by clicking on this arrow next to the X icon, you can use your app in full screen view. By clicking on the X though, you can close it completely. You can also close it by swiping it in the background or turning it into a bubble and dragging your bubble to remove section at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!